we have two types of clay, red clay and this is white clay. In red clay we collected the Red River's beds. In white clays we collected the old mountains in Alamos, this city. You want to try make a pottery? You want it? One person?
No.
Büyük ihtimal denemeyecekler.
মোড়ানো গ্লাস।
মোড়ানো না, এটা তো মাটি না।
This table name is traditional food table. This pottery came into the Hittites, old people's, Hittites people. People firstly carrying the water and cooking, make a cooking for use it. And later people's use for decoration now. Cooking very easily, but not easy. That's all.
Okay, thank you.